In this demo, I built an AI-powered candidate screening API for recruitment teams and growing businesses. The problem is that hiring teams often receive many applications and need to manually compare each candidate's experience, skills, and affability with the job requirements. This takes time and can make the initial screening process inconsistent. So I created this workflow using Postman, a custom webhook in Make, OpenAI, Make Data Store, Gmail, and a webhook response. For this demo, Postman acts like an external career website or applicant tracking system. I will send candidate information as a JSON request to the Make webhook. The request includes the candidate ID, full name, email, location, years of experience, skills, education, availability, expected salary, and professional summary. Once Make receives the request, it sends the candidate profile and job requirements to OpenAI. The AI evaluates only job-related qualification and generates a score, classification, qualification summary, strength, missing requirements, and recommended next action. The result is then parsed into a structured data and stored in Make Data Store using the candidate ID as the unique record key. After that, a router handles the candidate based on their classification. For the first test, I'm sending a candidate with 4 years of experience, including Make, API, webhook, Google Sheets, and CRM system. The candidate is classified as shortlisted, so the hiring manager receives an email alert with the assessment and recommended action. For the second test, the candidate has some of automation experience, but limited knowledge of APIs and webhook. This candidate is classified as human review, allowing the hiring manager to examine the application more closely. For the third test, the candidate has no relevant automation, API, webhook, or CRM experience. The system classifies the candidate as not qualified and records the assessment without sending an urgent manager alert. At the end of each request, Make sends a structured JSON response back to Postman with the candidate score, classification, summary, and recommended action. This shows that Make is functioning like an API backend rather than only running a basic internal automation. This workflow can later be connected to a career website, job form, and application tracking system, a CRM, Slack, or an interview scheduling workflow. It can also trigger the next stage automatically, such as creating an interview record or sending a scheduling link to shortlisted candidates. The AI is used to support the screening process, while the final hiring decision remains with a human. This automation helps recruitment teams process applications faster, create more consistent initial assessment, organize candidate records, and prioritize the applicants who need attention.